afternoon, everyone. So before I start the presentation, I would like to run you through a quick video which will give you a lot of idea about Icewarp, what we do, and our journey so far. So can we play the video, please?
Do you know what's powering some of India's fastest growing enterprises? Icewarp's fastest growing email and collaboration solution. Do you know what's the obvious, undisputed, unchallenged alternative to Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace? Icewarp's fastest growing unified email and collaboration solution. Think email, team chat, video conferencing, documents, storage, security, and mobility. Everything your teams need to work smarter, faster, and securely, all in one platform that helps you save 60% of your entire TCO. Because Icewarp does it all. Since 2001, we've been focused on one mission: to reinvent business communication with innovation, reliability, and complete control. Today, more than 50,000 customers and 50 million users worldwide trust Icewarp, and in India, our impact is undeniable. 1,500 plus mid and large enterprises, the top 3 NBFCs, 50% of leading BFSI organizations, 60% of the top pharmaceutical and healthcare companies. Our reach extends across government bodies, PSUs, education institutions, and manufacturing companies. Enterprises choose Icewarp over Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace because we come without the lock-ins, inflated costs, or unnecessary complexity. Your data stays secure and compliant across our 5 state-of-the-art Indian data centers, ensuring complete data sovereignty and your peace of mind. Our Indian footprint continues to grow. Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Chennai, and Delhi, delivery centers in Pune, Nashik, Navi Mumbai, and Ahmedabad, and rapid extension into Tier 2 cities: Jaipur, Coimbatore, Vadodara, Surat, Tiruchirappalli, Hyderabad, Chandigarh, Lucknow, and Nagpur. We are also a partner-first organization offering a robust ecosystem of 50+ partners across India. That means deeper reach, faster 24/7 support, and stronger collaboration. By 2026, 70% of our businesses will be partner-led because together we go further. We are honored to be a multi-year CIO Choice Award winner and recognized as the most admired brand by VAR India. So why do enterprises choose Icewarp? Because we are India's fastest growing email and collaboration platform. Your data stays in your control. Save up to 60% on TCO, backed by 24/7 local Indian support. At Icewarp, we are redefining how businesses communicate and collaborate. So your business moves fearlessly when your communication flows flawlessly, because Icewarp does it all. Reach us at partners@icewarp.co.in.
Thank you so much. So I will start with the presentation. It's more of an information rather than a PPT. I know it's just immediately after lunch and people might be feeling a little dizzy, but I think I'll try my best to keep you updated. So just to start with Icewarp. Okay. So just to start with Icewarp, let me just give you about Icewarp, the story of Icewarp. Thank you so much, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, for being present here. It's truly an honor to be presenting Icewarp to everybody. And to talk about Icewarp, let me take you through, Icewarp is an organization, and let me tell you about why Icewarp is the fastest growing email and collaboration solution in India. Today, we at Icewarp, we just don't believe in making big claims, but we believe that the number speaks for itself. We have more than 50 million users worldwide using our product across 50 countries, and there are amongst 50,000 individual users, right from SME to enterprises to very large enterprises which are using Icewarp. If you have to talk about Icewarp, we are the fastest growing email and collaboration platform in India. We are a true alternative to Microsoft, Google, worldwide, which is there. And Icewarp is not just a pure vanilla emailing solution. Today we are competing with Microsoft, Google, Zoho, and more companies which are there because of the entire collaboration suite which is there. So we have email, We have collaboration, instant messaging, chat, audio call, video conferencing, everything under one platform. And that is the reason why Icewarp is considered as a true alternative to Microsoft and Google. If you see, the success journey of Icewarp across the globe as well as in India has been phenomenal. We have been recognized 8 times in a row now by the CIOs of India. More than 500 CIOs of India has voted Icewarp in the enterprise email category. We have more than 1,500 plus customers in India across the different vertical which is there. Whether it is BFSI, whether it is manufacturing, whether it is FMCG, pharmaceuticals, you name the vertical, and Icewarp is present there. This is a testimonial of about how the CIOs of India has accepted Icewarp 8 years in a row, and more than 500 CIOs voting for Icewarp in the enterprise email category. As I said, Icewarp is much more than a plain vanilla emailing solution. It is a complete collaboration suite which is there. So it has chat, it has audio call, video call, it has collaboration, it has security, mobility, archival, everything under one single pane of glass. So when I say email, you have all the collaboration platform, all the connectivity, as well as we believe that security is the heart of the solution. Today, our customers, whether it is BFSI, whether it is manufacturing, whether it is pharmaceuticals, they are governed by some body or the other. Whether it is RBI, whether it is SEBI, whether it is IRDA, and so forth. They require compliance in terms of data security, in terms of the scrutiny which is there, in terms of any malicious activity that can happen via an email. So we are compliant with our customers. We provide the entire suite in such a way that we are able to deliver this to all our customers. So when I talk about email security, we have tied up with the industry leaders. We have alignment with the industry leaders which provide such kind of a security. Whether it is email security in terms of ATP, whether it is security against virus, whether it is anti-spam, malware, ransomware, Icewarp provides it. Whether it is about data security, we do it through a DLP solution which is there. When we talk about lot of data being at the endpoints, whether it is mobile phones, tablets, or it is at the Windows device which is there, we do it through the MDM solution which is there. And of course, we have an endpoint security completely, which ensures that your data is secured across the different places which is there. Gentlemen, if I have to sum it up, what is the differentiator? Why Icewarp is now the fastest growing email and collaboration platform in India? You can see there are 4 major things that I have to share with you. One, first and foremost, Icewarp, with all the features that it brings on board, it has the lowest TCO in the industry. We bring about more than 50% of cost reduction in terms of TCO which is there. We provide seamless migration from your current solution to Icewarp. We provide local solution. So Icewarp is the first and the only OEM which provides local support in local languages to our customers worldwide. And we have a premium support which we give to our customers through the channel of our places which is there. If I have to talk about, the next slide, just give me a second. Yeah. If I have to talk about the top 10 verticals that we are present in, the strongest vertical where we are there is of course BFSI. We have customers in NBFCs, we have customers in insurance, we have customers in banking sector. You name the vertical or you name the industry and we have Icewarp present there. When we talk about ITITES or BPO, KPO, we have our customers available there. We have top of the pharmaceutical companies, we have more than 60% of market share in the pharmaceutical industry which is there. So all the different verticals, whether it is FMCG, pharma, you name the vertical and Icewarp is present there. Now I would just like to share with you some of the case studies which is there, some of the case studies of our customers which will give you an idea that, if you are from the same vertical, how can Icewarp support you in terms of achieving either your TCO goals or whether it is security goals or whether it is enhancement goals which is there. So across in BFSI, if you talk about the NBFC industry, top three NBFCs are on Icewarp. Shriram Finance with more than 80,000 users are on Icewarp. The entire Bajaj group, whether it is Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj General Insurance, Life Insurance, Housing, the entire Bajaj group is there with us. We have HDB Finance with more than 1 lakh of mailboxes on Icewarp. So top three NBFCs trust Icewarp for their email collaboration and security requirement. Why? So basically, when we talk about when we talk about Shriram Finance, they were using a plain vanilla emailing solution. Now, as per the RBI and SEBI guidelines, they had to adhere to the security guidelines, which ensured that their gateway was secured through an advanced threat protection solution. They had to adhere that the endpoints on which the end users, the sales guys which were using data on their mobile phones, there is a huge iteration. When the users used to go, they used to take the data along with them. So Icewarp provided them the solution with the gateway level ATP, with DLP and an MDM solution, which were able to secure all the data at the end user end. The second case study when we talk about, it is about Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv uses Icewarp for its complete dealer network. So they had such a huge dealer network which was supposed to be given security. They were supposed to be secured via the endpoints, and that is the reason why Bajaj Finserv chose Icewarp, and we were able to enable them with all the security solutions on their endpoints as well as on the email front. Last but not the least, HDB Finance. HDB Finance had around 20-30,000 email mailbox requirement, but more than that, they required almost 80,000 endpoints which needed to be secured. And that is the reason why Icewarp was able to give HDB the kind of a solution with MDM and mobile application management. So whether it is an email application or whether it is an ERP, HRMS, CRM, all their applications were secured behind a container via the MDM solution which is there. So in this way, Icewarp is able to provide a complete security solution to all the BFSI customers which are there. If you were thinking whether this is the only set of brands which are there with Icewarp, you know the screen says it all. The entire NBFCs, banks, insurance company, we enjoy more than 50% of market share amongst this vertical which is there. If I have to talk about the second vertical which is there, which is pharmaceuticals. Again, pharmaceuticals play a very important role when we talk about the Indian economy which is there. There are so many large pharmaceutical companies in India which generate millions of dollars of revenue across the globe. So today, I have chosen three of our other pharmaceutical companies which have used Icewarp and were able to get one or the other solution from Icewarp. So first, it is Indoco Remedies. So Indoco Remedies was again a solution, required a solution for their MRs, the market representatives, the sales guys which go to hospitals, which go to doctors and where do they do sales. Their entire data was residing on their tablets, on their mobile phones, which the company had not provided. So when these guys used to leave the organization, they used to take this data along with them. So with Indoco, we were able to give them an emailing solution which was available with collaboration. They were able to do chat, they were able to do document management, they were able to collaborate, and also their endpoints were secured behind a container so that they were not able to forward the data, download the data, or do anything which is there. And when the person left the organization, they were able to do a hard wipe or a soft wipe of the data completely. Alchem Laboratories, again a very peculiar case. They came to us saying that, you know, there are so many people in the organization where they require email just for the sake of sending salary slip into their mailbox. That is the only reason why we want to have an email. Today, after going live on Icewarp for almost 7 years, they are using it for complete collaboration, for email, for security. So this is how the Icewarp has grown into the pharmaceutical industry which is there. Our very own Himalaya, which is a Bangalore-based company which is there, they were on on-premise exchange, and they had an option either to go to cloud on M365 or Google or any other solution which is there, and that is where we started competing with the other cloud players like Microsoft, Google, Zoho, and Himalaya chose to go with Icewarp because we were able to migrate the entire exchange data to Icewarp. We were able to give them a better secure solution, and for the retention of the data for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, we are able to give the archival solution which was able to secure the data and be presented for audit and compliance purposes, which is there. Also, this is not just the few of the brand names which are there. You can see we have Alembic, Indigo, Cadila, Ipca Laboratories, Alembic, and the list goes on. We enjoy almost 60% of the market share in the top 20 pharmaceutical companies in India. The last example of our customers which I wanted to share with you is the BPO KPO industry which is there. So this is also an industry where there is a huge iteration. People are using email, they come, they go, but the data needs to be secured. And these are some of the organizations which are there. We have Teleperformance, which was earlier known as Intelnet Global. We have WNS Global, we have Strive. This kind of BPO KPO industries which have so many people working in the call center environment, they have a huge amount of iteration. The people have email addresses, lot of data which is there which needed to be secured, and there are like in thousands, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 people which is there, and the cost of having those on solutions like Microsoft or Google required them to pay, amount in crores of rupees. With Icewarp, we were able to give them a similar kind of a solution, move them to Icewarp, and also was able to provide them with the cost reduction of at least 70%. So that is the reason why all the top three, IT, ITES, BPO, KPO companies chose Icewarp for their email and collaboration platform. We are not just present in pharma, BFSI, healthcare, and manufacturing, but we are also present in FMCG, dairies, governments, and so forth. And that is the reason why we have now more than 1,500 customers on Icewarp. Also, if I have to talk about, esteemed clients in the South region, we have already been blessed by a lot of big customers, good customers who have trusted Icewarp from Bangalore, from Chennai, and even, far regions as well. So these are some of our customers which are present in the South region as well. In 2025, again, we were able to acquire a lot of good customers. The largest conglomerate in India, Adani, the entire Adani group, they are using Icewarp for their, core power users completely, and so forth. Bajaj Housing, Bajaj Capital are some of our customers which are there, which are on Icewarp. So what are the major differentiators which we are talking about for our customers? Cost, data control, security, and immediate cost reduction by 50%. That is something which we bring on board for our customers completely. So yes, this is complete about Icewarp. We are available at our booth. Anybody who would want to know more about Icewarp, how we are able to save cost of yours, feel free to visit us at our booth and take it forward. Thank you so much, guys.